Hello, my soil fam. So I'm out here on the mini farm cleaning out my deck box, and I thought about 7 things that I will always get from the Dollar Tree, and you probably should too. First up, this right here. Now, it's hit or miss. You might catch it in the way beginning part of the spring season, but if they got this weed barrier, I'm getting these self-watering planters that are 6 inches. Like, gonna always get them, period. When they have these, whether they the needle point or whichever ones, I'm always gonna grab them because I always seem to misplace them, and they're good. And by the by, like Lowe's and all of them be wanting like $7, $10. Not when I can go to the Dollar Tree, because I'm always planting things and forgetting. Always gonna get these plant labels when I see them. Trowels, cultivators, the whole 9 yards. I'm always gonna get these from the Dollar Tree. I refuse to pay $10 for one. They work just as good. When they have Irish Spring in stock, especially the 2-bar combo, I'm getting it. And this right here, I use for my indoor plants as well as outdoor. Like, it's giving. I'm always gonna grab me some of this when they have it. So these are the 7 things that I will always and forever get from the Dollar Tree when they have them. Hope this was helpful to you. Happy growing, my loves.